Welding 360 here with another how-to welding video. I got this all set up to be welded. The welder's on, the gas is on. I'm putting on my welding jacket. So the next clip will show it welded. Alright, I'm back. We got this all tacked. I'm not gonna fully weld it because it's sheet metal. I don't really want it to warp. It ain't going anywhere for what I'm making it. This is for the revolving sign. And then next, I'm gonna tack the motor. This plate will get tacked onto here. You get the idea. So next clip will be this one when this is welded all together and that piece over there bolted back to this. But so I got for right now. The motor mount for the revolving sign's mounted. I'm gonna add that nut on the bottom for more support. There's nothing on this side. That wall is gonna be tacked on very soon to that. And that's going to be bolted back up. The motor's going to be bolted back on. It's quite a long way. This came a long way since I first started it. That's it. Alright, I changed my mind for that wall. Instead of tacking it to welding it to this, I'm just going to weld it to that, but I'm not welding it to this. I'm not welding it to this. I was going to, but you know what? It will work like that too. Plus, it's easier because I could just weld this whole edge right here and weld the whole thing. Rather than just one welding on this. So that's what we're gonna do. Next clip will be when that's welded. Alright, that wall's welded it's welded on both sides. Now next part is getting that nut welded for the motor mount for the revolving sign. So next clip that nut will be welded to that, and hopefully I can bolt it back up again. See what we have done so far. See what I got done so far. I got the nut welded, but I don't really like it, so I'm probably going to take it out and figure out something else. I don't know. We'll see. Probably in the next video, that probably will be gone. Pretty much it. Please like, comment, share for more videos. The revolving sign came a long way. Next video I'll have it all put together and hopefully I'll wire something up for the motor so I can make the motor run. It's just somewhere in that mess. So we can actually see, well, you guys be able to see that I'm making progress. So that's pretty much it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Welding 360 out.